Are you tired of missing Teams meetings because they never show up on your Google Calendar? Learn how to sync them in under 2 minutes. First, we'll connect Teams to your Google account. Then, authorize and sign in. Finally, confirm the sync is working. Start by clicking on Microsoft Teams from the right sidebar. Then, click on Authorize to begin the connection process. Now, click on Sign In and follow the instructions, waiting for it to install. Once you see your Microsoft account logged in, you've successfully connected Teams to Google Calendar. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.